Coming up in Primetime Sports Thursday, back on track. Paris Olympic finalist and reigning world champion to return to competitive action following injury concerns at recent national championships. And falling. Reggae Boys suffer significant drop in latest FIFA World Rankings.
Good evening. I am Jermaine Brown, and the details of these and more when we return.